Hello class, this time I'm going to introduce a new type of electronics and it's called a microcontroller. Now this obviously my laptop, and there is a cable connecting the microcontroller to the laptop and it goes into this USB socket here, so it rounds around and into the microcontroller. The microcontroller is this very small rectangular component here, and it has 8 legs, 4 on each side. Now a microcontroller is the most current type of electronics. It's able to be programmed, which means that we can program it to do different functions, and we use a programming system called a flowchart, and the flowchart for this current program is on the screen of the laptop. And it's a dice. If I press this switch here, which is the microcontroller's input, it runs through a series of numbers and then settles on a dice number indicated by the LEDs. In this case I've rolled a 3. And it has a certain amount of programming that allows it to pick random numbers. So each time I press, it should give a different number, and because it's random I will also get the same number occasionally, just like a normal dice. Now the beauty of a microcontroller is that we can reprogram it to do different things. At the moment it's set up to be a dice, but I could easily, just by changing this flowchart, this piece of programming software here, I could turn it into a countdown timer by changing the flowchart. So that's it, that's a microcontroller. This is how we get the program in. We download it from the PC into the microcontroller, and it will also work remotely. So now I've removed the programming cable, it will still work the same. So as long as it has a battery or a power supply, the microcontroller will work and continue to run the program forever.